Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 28th of March. This is our weekly recap. You want to join us, come to smartoptiontrading.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Let's talk about this market. We have a big down day here today, and let's talk about what's going on. We'll start off with the SPY. So, not the easiest of weeks to navigate. All right, we had the big gap up last Friday. I wasn't here. You had that nice push, and we kind of came to this 575 area we were talking about. We petered out, and one, two, three, four. Sorry, that was on Monday. Friday up, big gap up on Monday, and we couldn't break above it, and we've rolled over here. Why have we rolled over? It's a lot going on, guys, in this market. I mean, we can sit here and cast blame, but the truth is that the economy is showing signs of weakening. The consumer is in severe distress and weakening big time. We have the complete unknown of the tariffs, and I think that's a big thing that's driving the market right now. It's market hates uncertainty more than anything else. So next Tuesday's tariff day, then we'll see the response from the rest of the world. And the market here is saying it's tired of this and doesn't want to know. But when you look at volume, we're only 50 million shares on the SPY with about 25 minutes to go. We're not like getting massive distribution volume. We're not 100 billion, 200 billion shares here. We're just getting selling and there's no buyers to be found. All the buyers that were here have disappeared. We talked multiple times about looking for a W pattern. It's kind of an ugly one, but now we're going to look like we're getting it. And you'd like to see that come down, retest this 550 area and hold and bounce off of it. We did fill this gap. This gap is gone. We are now into this gap. This gap comes down here to the low. We'll see if we fill that. And you'd like to look for some type of reversal candle to get long. It's probably going to be a noisy weekend. It's probably going to be extremely noisy on Monday and Tuesday and probably Wednesday as well. Just keep that in mind. And we'll see where we go from there. Auto tariffs have gone in. That's a done deal. 25%. That's huge. That is a game changer in terms of what people will be paying in the short to medium term for cars. The VIX up. You have a big up candle on the VIX today. Notably, we're nowhere near the highs. We have a big up candle here. We're back up to the 22 area. This is a take notice candle. We should also point out that bonds, they're up big today, flight back to safety. The Qs beaten up almost back to the lows. They've been weaker. The IWM also weaker. The Dow holding in better. Energy names, which have been stronger, are slowly weakening. The financials, big down candle today. JP Morgan getting hammered. Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, right? These are all getting beaten back down here. The SMHs, which were a leader out of here, they've capitulated back down. They're almost back to the lows. AMD, which was one of the stronger names, ugly, ugly couple of days in this one again. NVIDIA, same thing, back to the 109 area here, beaten down pretty good. Avgo, which had one of the best reports other than NVIDIA out there, is getting absolutely beaten up and can't find a friend. Right? Market's showing signs of distress. They're not running into safety names for the most part. Costco, nothing going on there. Walmart, Caterpillar, right? All down here. Home Depot, down. Crypto names, nope. Coin getting destroyed here. New range lows. MSTR holding in much better. Gold. Gold is very strong. New all-time highs today. They continue to hide there. And then we'll go to tech. Tesla, you had a failure at the 200-day here this week, and it's rolled over. It's under the 8-day, and it's closing underneath a big level here. And if it cannot hold there, it probably rolls back to the low. I still think 213 is a possibility in this name. We're going to get delivery numbers there on, I think, Tuesday. Never quite sure with Tesla, but Tuesday we should get some type of delivery numbers there, Tuesday or Wednesday on that one. The rest of big cap tech, Microsoft destroyed today, almost back to the range lows. Amazon beaten back under 200, almost back to the range lows. Google, forget about it, getting killed, new range lows there. Meta back down almost to the on the 200-day, almost to the range lows. Apple, which is held in better today, big down candle, lost the 8-day, but holding in better than markets by far. Uh, guys, help me out. What am I missing here? Anything else? The China names, we traded those this week. Baba's holding in well for what it's worth. What did we trade this week? What did we trade? We traded Baba calls. We traded Tesla a bunch. No, wrong week. Yeah, we traded BABA calls, Tesla a bunch this week, some Nvidia calls, hit or miss on those. AMD was in and out of that. A lot of Tesla. If Tesla right now for me is just working. For whatever reason, I'm just dialed in on that name, whether it's long or short. For the most part, it's working well. I'm not always making money. It's not that I don't take losses along the way, but today Tesla, I took a loss and then had a bunch of trades and made good money on it. It's just how it's working for me right now. Sometimes you just gotta dial in. I long term, you should be looking to buy here, right? Long term, the market's going to be fine. The short term, unsure. This is historically a bullish time of year. It's not playing out that way right now. The market's looking for clarity, and then it can decide what it wants to do. And then we're going to go into earnings season. And somebody brought up in the room, I think it was Rajesh today, I'm not sure who, but that earnings guidance could be a big problem with all these tariffs. And that's a great point. So, anybody wants to join us, link in the description below. Everybody have a great weekend. I am going to do charts this weekend, and I'll catch you guys live in the room on Monday morning.